Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone dropping call after iOS 17 update. When you want to connect on an important call but your iPhone drops it unnecessarily, well, if you have ever faced iPhone call dropping issue or still facing it now, then it's need a solution. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. Our step number one is restart your iOS device. Restarting your iPhone is the ultimate solution to fix network or performance issue. For restarting the device, simply tap on Settings, scroll down, then tap on General. Again scroll down, tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Then our step number two is inspect SIM card properly. When your SIM card is often damaged, bent or cracked, it affects plenty of network settings like it leads to dropping calls on the iPhone. Therefore, you must inspect it carefully. Then our step number three is turn airplane mode on and off. When you turn on the flight mode, it disables all the wireless network connection for the time being. So when you turn off the mode, your device automatically detects the network around you and refresh. Your device automatically detects networks around you and refreshes. This makes it an effective fix for various network connections, including data drop callings on iPhone and even no network issue. Simply tap on airplane mode, wait for some seconds and then turn it on again. If this step is not fixing your issue, then try solution number 3. Update the date and time settings. If you are an avid traveler or having recent travel, then improperly dated and time settings would lead to call dropping issue. For doing this, simply tap on settings, scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and you can see your option date and time. Tap on it and simply on the option of set automatically. If it's turned off, simply turn it on again. Then our step number 4 is turn on caller ID from your iPhone. Not activating the caller ID is another leading cause of dropping calls on iPhone. Often it is activated by default and sometimes not. Now you should know whether it is activated or not. Then simply turn on caller ID from your iPhone. And our last step is reset network settings. Drop call issues might be caused due to improperly configured settings. So resetting network settings to default would fix the issue. For doing this, simply you have to go to your general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.